guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your mechanical keyboard hot swappable inside keys in this video. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a keyboard cleaning kit which I can use to plug my keys, but I'm not going to use this one today. I'm going to show you total household items like the spoon to open up your keyboard buttons. So first of all, this button does not need a spoon or something. I'm just going to put my nail inside them. So here in the gap, I will put my nail inside and plug the key. So the keycap is off. Now to open this key inside, I will use a spoon. So if I use a spoon like this, and I will just gently push it, don't push it too hard or it might break. So I will gently push it and try to lift it up. Okay, so it's not working from this side. I'm going to try it from the other side. Well, it's gently loosening up. Now let's try from this side again. Now make sure to use a smaller spoon so it will work better. My one is a pretty big spoon, which is why this took so much long. And also make sure to do it gently and don't be afraid to take longer time, because if you are rushing, then you might break these plastic parts. So as you can see, this whole thing is off. Now to put it in, you have to look at this part. So as you can see, here are the connectors, and now these are the connectors on the keys. And now make sure that these connectors are fitting like this, and you can just press them. Okay, it didn't work. Let's try again. So something is clearly wrong, so we'll check the connectors again and trying again. All right, so as you can see, it has been placed. And now I didn't cut any of this video, so I have totally kept it uncut so that you can understand that this process will take multiple tries if you are not using the correct tools. So I'm not using any tool at all, just using my hands and a household spoon. So make sure that you are trying multiple times and trying gently. Don't break your keyboard while doing it. So now it's all set. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.